On the record in the matter 26 CF 93, State of Wisconsin versus Brittany Nimmo. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. Ms. Nimmo appears in person with counsel Daniel Chapman. We're set today for a preliminary hearing. Mr. Chapman, is it proceeding as such?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Vila, you may call your first witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. State calls Chief Trevor Tex.
Chief Tex, please come forward, raise your right hand. You'll be sworn in, have a seat at the witness stand.
Do you swear that the testimony you're about to provide today in this matter is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You may begin.
Can you please state and spell your name for the record?
Trevor Tex, TREVORTHIEX.
And how are you currently employed?
The police chief for the village of Siren.
And how long have you so been employed?
As the police chief, this will be year 4, so like 3.5 years total in law enforcement, like year 24.
So prior to today's hearing, did you review a criminal complaint in Burnett County case 26 CF 93 as it relates to Brittany Nimmo?
Yes,
So on June 16th of 2026, did law enforcement conduct a traffic stop near the trailer park near Clear Lake Park in Siren?
yes,
Is that in Burnett County?
yes,
Did they make contact with the occupants of the vehicle?
yes.
Who was in the vehicle?
Brett Frank was the driver and the passenger was Brittany Nimmo
And how was Brittany Nimmo identified?
through, I believe it's prior police contacts.
Now, have you yourself ever seen Brittany Nimmo?
Yes,
You know what she looks like?
yes,
Do you see her sitting here in the courtroom today?
yes.
Could you please identify her by where she's sitting and what she's wearing?
She's seated next to her defense counsel. Looks like a black t-shirt, not a t-shirt, but like a tank top.
Court will state that Chief Tex has identified Ms. Nimmo.
Okay. Now, was the vehicle in question searched?
Yes,
Was anything found?
yes.
What was found?
The driver, Mr. Frank, admitted to a bong in the center console. So that was located. There was other items of paraphernalia in the center console as well. There was a gem baggie located under the driver's seat that was empty. There was a bag on the front passenger floorboard that had one empty gem baggie, one gem baggie that had 0.51 grams of a crystallized substance, which later tested positive for the presence of methamphetamine. There was, I believe, 8 pills. I can't remember how to pronounce or know how to pronounce the name of what type of medications they were, but they were pills that needed a prescription for.
Okay, so that gem baggie that was found, where was that located again?
In the bag on the floorboard of the passenger front seat.
And who was sitting in that passenger front seat?
Brittany Nimmo.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Mr. Chapman, questions?
You said you know Miss Nimmo. Did you verify in any way that the person you're looking at here today is the same person that was dealt with by other officers on the day you're describing?
Just went off of the criminal complaint in the police reports.
So you read a name and this is the person you know as that name?
That's the person I know as Brittany Nimmo, yes.
No further questions.
All right, any redirect?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you may step down. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any further witnesses?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Chapman, any witnesses?
No witnesses for today.
Any argument?
Well, I know we've been over this many times, but this officer saying, yeah, I know that person does not connect the dots to what happened that day. He should look at a body camera booking photo of the person that was arrested or talk to the officer in question, but there has been no connection made between this identification and the hearsay testimony he's relaying.
Mr. Vila?
Your Honor, at preliminary hearings, evidence goes in line in favor of the state. Chief Tex identified Ms. Nimmo from prior police contacts himself. That should be sufficient.
I do understand where your argument lies, Mr. Chapman. But because of the low hurdle, the court will find there is probable cause to believe a felony was probably committed by Ms. Nimmo. The court will find the probable cause and will bind the matter over. Information, Mr. Vila.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm going through and filing the information as we speak. It will mirror the criminal complaint.
Proceed with an arraignment or set it for another day.
One moment, Your Honor. We can go forward today, Your Honor.
All right, she understands the charges and the maximum penalties.
She does. We will waive reading of the information and plead not guilty to the 3 counts.
Not guilty pleas will be entered on your behalf. You are entitled to a jury trial. You would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. Are you still in Kruger Road? Telephone ends in 0831. All right, let's get the status conference. I could do, you're coming back September 28th at 10:30.
Yes, I am.
September 28th, 10:30. We will see you then. You can come get your notice and you're free to go.
Thank you.